Hi everyone, welcome back for another video. Sorry for not filming in such a long time, minus that one vlog. But this is going to be a super late post for Valentine's Day. Maybe you can go out and still get it at your local Dollar Tree, Michael's, or Walmart. This is like a mix of everything that I purchased at those three stores within a couple of days. So let's get started. First, we have some duct tape that I use for my packaging that I get at Dollar Tree because it's $1. So I got 6 different colors. And they're really good. They last a long time. They have a lot of product on there, if you can tell. And it's just simple colors that I use for when I send mail out and do packages. So I got 6 of those in 3 different colors. And this first part is from Dollar Tree, if I didn't say so. And then in their floral garden section, I got some of these adhesive diamond wraps in 3 different colors. I thought they would be good for crafting, pocket letters, that sort of thing. So I got in turquoise, gold, and fuchsia. Then we come into the Valentine's section, which I got 2 of the same stickers. I like to get 2 of each whenever I do something. So we have these of the love. They're the foam heart stickers. Then we have these mini hearts. Looks like I got 2 red, 2 pink, and 2 white. Like I said, stock up when you can. And then I got the larger ones in the same colors. Then I got these glitter foam hearts that have red and pink. Got 2 packages of those. And these can be super cute for like decorating or sending out as like a cute little packaging style for a Happy Mail. Then we got some foam stickers that have words on them. I think I got 2 of these, but I can't find the other one at the moment because I did kind of put them away and then kind of went digging for them again. So these are cute. You can make like paper clips out of them, hot glue them together, that sort of thing. And then I got these table scatter that I'm going to be putting in a package for, cute packaging ideas. Or you can make paper clips out of them. So this is really fun and cute. And then I got 2 of the same bags. They're little cute heart bags. And they have just plain hearts on them. And they came 2 in a pack from Dollar Tree for $1. Which Dollar Tree has some really good deals. So that is what I got from there. And then I think I got this at Dollar General. So quick Dollar General haul, some super glue. And if we move over to Michael's real quick, I got some stuffing, pink and white. I know I have one more white, but when you put everything away and then do a haul, kind of can't find everything. So there's those. They're going to be for some packaging and I'm going to be sending out. Some cute pastel paint because I feel like I'm going to need this in the future. Plus it was pastel and it's acrylic paint. And then lastly at Michael's I got this cute little unicorn holder, which it is apparently a washi wallet. So all those washi samples I get, which, did I put these 2 in there? I can't remember if I put these 2 in there or they came like that. But this is just a sample. I think they did that. Hey. But just put your washi in here. Your samples that you get in all your Happy Mail. That way it's a good storage idea for that. And then lastly from Walmart, I got these table scatters foam stickers that can be used not only for whatever, but you can also probably make really cute paper clips out of. I got these really cute unicorn stickers, little puffy ones. These word stickers and just some really cute Valentine's Day stickers. And here's another unicorn pack. Some straws for craft ideas. And then lastly, 6 buttons for Valentine's Day that I will give to my friends. So that is everything for Hobby Lobby. Not Hobby Lobby. That is everything from Michael's, Target, and Dollar Tree. I hope this wasn't too fast of a video. just a quick show through everything that I purchased. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you and have a good day.